history of herbs. Coriander. Coriander is one of the oldest herbs and spices in recorded history. This feathery plant is part of the parsley family and has been utilized as both a herb and spice. Native to regions from southern Europe and northern Africa to southwestern Asia. Coriander, also known as Chinese parsley or cilantro, dates back as far as 6,000 to 8,000 years ago. Archaeologists excavating the Nihal cave in Israel found what may be the oldest archaeological find of coriander on record. Coriander mercaps were also discovered in the tomb of the boy pharaoh Tutankhamun, and the Ebers papyrus, an Egyptian medical text dated to around 1550 BC, describes coriander's medicinal and culinary uses. Hippocrates, the ancient Greek physician traditionally regarded as the father of medicine, recommended the use of coriander to cure ailments, and later, during the medieval and Renaissance periods, coriander was thought to be an aphrodisiac. The herb has been used in traditional Chinese medicines to heal various ailments, and the Chinese believed that those who consume coriander seeds would be rewarded with immortality. Every part of coriander is edible. The dried seeds have long been utilized all over the world to add flavor to food and make dishes that are generally bland, edible, and flavorful. The fresh leaves make good garnishes on food items such as pasta, soups, or noodle dishes. There are also numerous health benefits to consuming coriander. Coriander contains several nutritional properties and vitamins, such as vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin A. Additionally, coriander has antioxidant properties that can help boost the immune system. An herbal tea made of coriander in hot water can be used to treat headaches that are caused by the flu or common cold. Herbalists claim consumption of coriander has been historically used to deal with problems of stomach digestion and is known to help regain the appetite when recovering from digestive issues. Coriander also has been known for its anti-inflammatory properties and also aids in the treatment of aching joints. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs. Brought to you by Dherbs.com.